What's up, guys? It's Coach Lee. As we're going through our Windler strength cycle, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the failure modes in the deadlift and what accessory work you need to be focusing on in order to fix your weak link in the chain. Okay, so in the deadlift, our top 3 failures, first one is going to be just failing to get the bar off the ground. So you're at your approach, you're building tension, you're pulling, the bar doesn't budge. Okay, that usually, I just got a little bit of a weakness. I need to start building more strength at the bottom. That's why we'll see deficit pull-ups, or deadlifts. That's why we'll also use some bands on some deadlifts as well to help build that starting strength, building speed at the beginning of the lift to help you get through the next sticking point. The next sticking point, as you come up, maybe you failed to lock out so you can't bring the hips to the bar. That is usually an issue of glute strength. So you're going to be seeing some glute med work with the lateral band work, leg lifts. You'll also be seeing things like good mornings and glute bridges as well. All right? And then our last one, which a lot of people may have felt or seen, is the loss of a neutral spine. So coming up and you're curving, trying to bring that bar up until you finally let go. That's going to require some low back strength. So again, you'll see barbell good mornings. Also some upper back strength, so bent over rows as well. So those are your top 3 failure modes, top 3 accessories. We do one of each at least at the end of every workout during our strength cycle. So wherever your failure mode is, make sure you're focused in on that accessory and doing good work there.